Hi my dear student, welcome to this new video, Chapter 1 Computer Fundamental for Class 6. In this video, we will learn about working of computers and input devices. Our first topic is working of computer. How the computers are working? Have you any idea? Listen here. Computers are getting data from the user, process it according our instruction and produce the result. We will see this explanation through one example. We want to add 5 and 6. What we have to do? Sitting in front of the computer and saying, I want to add 5 and 6. Can you get the answer? No, we won't get the answer. Then what we have to do? We have to give the data to the computer. In this example, what are the data? 5 and 6 are the data. We have to enter into the computer. After entering this data, computer process according our instruction. What is our instruction? Addition of this one, addition of these two numbers. For that we are giving the plus sign for addition. After performing the process, after performing the calculation, then it produces the result. Understand? How they are? First we are entering the data, then processing it, then produce the result. So the working of computer has 3-step process. What are they? Input, processing, output. First input. In this example, we are given data to the computer. That is the input. Okay. Then how we are enter the data to the computer? Through the input devices such as keyboard. Is it correct? Then next one is processing. The computer process the data according our instruction. Which device will do the processing? The processor will do the processing. That is the CPU, Central Processing Unit will do the processing. Next one is output. Computer produce the output. Computer produce the result. Then how it will be display the result? Through the output devices such as monitor. Did you get me? Next topic is input devices. It allows the user to feed data and instruction into the computer. Commonly used input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, trackball, scanner, digital camera and graphics tablets.
First input device is keyboard. It is the most popular input device. It looks like an olden days typewriter. It has buttons. These buttons are called keys. Here numbers, letters and special characters are written on these keys. This keyboard has circuit. When the user is pressing a key, this circuit can identify the user is pressing the key. So, this circuit immediately sending signal to the computer. Then the computer display the corresponding character on the screen. Did you get this? Then next, this keyboard is known as QWERT keyboard. Why it is called like this? Because of these first 6 characters written in the top row of the keyboard. That's why it is called as QWERT keyboard. Did you understand? Next input device is mouse. It is a pointing device. This mouse is used to point the different objects on the screen. It has 2 buttons, left and right button, and a scroll wheel at the center. There are 2 types of mouse. They are mechanical mouse and optical mouse. Mechanical mouse has a rubber or metal ball at its bottom. This ball rotates when the mouse moves across the flat surface. It has 3 rollers at the bottom. As the ball rotates, it moves the roller. This movement generates the electrical signal and indicate the direction and distance of the mouse moving. Did you get it? Type of mouse is optical mouse. It has light beam instead of ball to detect the movement. It has a wheel with a number of small holes. One side of the wheel is source of light and the other side is light sensor. As the wheel turns, a light flashes through the holes and the light sensor sends the corresponding information to the computer. Understand? One side is the light is generating, the next side will be sensor this light and send the information to the computer. This optical mouse can use for long time comparing to the mechanical mouse. Because of it don't have a ball and rollers. Therefore, nowadays the optical mouse is used. Next input device is joystick. It is also a pointing device. It is used to move an object on the screen. It has a stick that is attached to a plastic base with a flexible rubber sheath. Some joysticks allow the movement of the stick in 4 directions. What are the directions? Forward, backward, left and right direction. Some allow in all directions, just like a circle. We can move in circle direction. Simple joystick has 1 or 2 buttons and a trigger. Some joysticks have many buttons. This joystick mostly used for playing games. It is also used in mobile phones and flight simulations. Next input device is light pen. It is another type of pointing device. It looks like a pen. We can hold like a pen and directly point at object on the screen. It is useful for drawing image on the screen. It senses the light coming from the screen and generates the pulses. So the computer knows where exactly it is pointing. Understand how it is pointing? It senses the light coming from the screen. Then it generates a electric pulses. From that, computer knows the point where the device is pointing. Understand? Next input device is trackball. It is also a pointing device. This trackball is used to point the object on the screen. This device has ball. This ball rotates in any direction using our finger. Movement of ball controls the movement of the pointer on the screen. It looks like a turned mouse upside down. It requires less space than the mouse. Whole device is not moved. Here only the ball is moving. That's why it requires less space. Did you understand? Next input device is scanner. It is used to convert a text or an image to as electronic data. It is same as the Xerox machine. Difference between Xerox machine and scanner is Xerox machine create a printed copy, but scanner generate the soft copy on the computer. Did you understand? Printed copy we can get our scanned. Okay, but the scanner generate the copy on the screen only. Listen, that is the difference between scanner and Xerox machine. There are 4 types of scanner. They are handheld scanner, flatbed scanner, sheet-fed scanner, drum scanner. What are they? Handheld scanner, flatbed scanner, sheet-fed scanner, drum scanner. First type of scanner is handheld scanner. This scanner size is very small. The scanner moved a number of times over the document to get the better result. We see in the Xerox machine, is it? When we are giving for the Xerox, the one light beam is moving on the document. Same way, this scanner is moving number of times to get the better result. It produces the low quality result. So nowadays very less people only using this handheld scanner. Second type of scanner is flatbed scanner. It is larger than the handheld scanner. It scans the document, image or text in one moment. Document is placed on the flat glass surface and light sensor move over the document to scan it. Just like a Xerox machine, we are placing the document on the top of the flat glass surface, is it? One light is passing over that. Same way this scanner also, is it? It produces the high quality image. So it cost is very high. Understand? Third type of scanner is sheet-fed scanner. It is similar to flatbed scanner. The difference is the document is moved across the scanner. Previous one, the light sensor is moved across the document. Here document is moving across the scanner. It allows paper to scan. Books and other thick objects cannot be scanned. Understand? Because of this scanner, the document is moving across the scan. That's why we are using the paper only to scan. Did you understand? Fourth type of scanner is drum scanner. This scanner is very expensive one. This scanner produces high quality images. This scanner has scanning photo multiplier tube. A drum rolls over the entire document and scans the document. This scanner is mainly used for enlarge the scanned images. Understand? It is mainly used for to enlarge the image. Next input device is digital camera. All of you know the digital camera. Nowadays most of the mobile phones has the digital camera. What is the job of this digital camera? This digital camera captures our images and store it in the digital form. Okay, store it in the digital form. This digital camera has electrical sensor, one sensor, and a memory card or flash memory will be there. Understand? Before this digital camera, some simple camera will be there. What is the difference between both camera? The digital camera capture the images in the memory card, but a simple camera capture the images on the film roll. Understand? Capture the image and stored in the film roll. That is the difference between digital camera and this simple camera. Did you understand? Nowadays most of the people are using digital camera because of it provide the good quality images. Okay. Then how we will download the image from this camera? We are using cable. Okay. Cable to download the images from the camera to the computer. Understand? Then next, we are using some software to modify these images. What are the softwares we are using? CorelDRAW, Photoshop, Photo Editor, PictureIt, etc. These are the softwares are used to edit these images. Did you understand? Next input device is graphics tablet. Graphics tablet is used to draw images and graphics manually. Just like we are using the paper and pencil, how we are using paper and pencil to draw, like that we can use the graphics tablet. Understand? This contains flat surface and a stylus. Stylus is a pen-like device to draw on the flat surface. Understand? The most of the artists usually draw picture on the graphics tablet. When we are drawing on the graphics tablet, it will show on the screen. Understand? then it is also used for capture our handwritten signature. Understand? What is the purpose? We can draw on the tablet as well as we can capture our handwritten signature.